Out of the 4 stocks I shared today, only one worked while 3 failed. But here is the important question, why did they fail? Let's understand what the market taught us today. Yesterday I shared 4 stocks in my Telegram watch list. We'll see one by one what about the result and what was happened exactly. So we'll go to the first stock, Akums Drugs and Pharma. You can see in the weekly chart. Weekly chart there was a breakout line mentioned. Weekly frame today it was a breakout done up to 4% intraday gain. How it was happened we'll show you. See in 1 hour candle. So here the previous day, yesterday, closing candle. It looks good, solid green candle with a good reasonable volume. Okay, so I focused on breakout attempt on today, but it was also happened. You can see today. You can see today here first candle. You can see from this level to around 6% intraday gain. This Akums Drugs. Okay, so it's a good thing. So it was a good gain on today. Okay, after breakout almost 4%. Before breakout totally 6% intraday returns given. So we'll go to the next stock. But this one stock only succeeded today. Remaining 3 stocks looks failed. Why we'll see in this video. Next you can see FACT Fertilizer. Fertilizer and Chemical Trivandrum. Okay, so you can see weekly chart. I expect the breakout by considering yesterday closing condition. I will show you the yesterday closing condition. We will see in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see yesterday closing condition. Price keep hold at this level 896. Okay, so today I was thought if the price sustains above this 908 with volume, so we can achieve this target up to 927 and above. But in morning itself, it's not sustained. The price fallen. Okay, so further this also this setup was failed on today. So that's it. So we'll go to the third stock. You can see. Okay, so I will show you in the 4 hours time frame. You can see. So this is a Sky Gold and Diamonds third stock. You can see this is a trend line pullback. I hope it. Okay, so I thought it will bounce back from this trend line, but what was happened we'll see. So okay, you can see the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday last candle you can see. So it's a reasonable good candle with a decent volume I have seen this level. Okay, but it not sustained on today. Again it was fall from this candle. So price not sustained above this trend line. The setup failed today. Stock HOEL, Hindustan Oil Exploration. I will show you in the weekly time frame. You can see this is a breakout line. So breakout level you can see here 174. Okay, I will show you in the 1 hour time frame. So I was about yesterday closing scenario you can see. So yesterday last candle 215 candle you can see it's a decent bounce back I think. So I thought it will go up from this up to this level 188 from this level. Okay, but it was not what lesson we learn means you can compare the 4 stocks. Today the price not sustained volume again. The setup was previous day so 1 hour candle you can see the previous day 1 hour candle means the 215 PM candle you can see these stocks are failed. Strong volume was gained. Okay, but comparatively that that 3 stocks you can see that 215 green candle volume was comparatively low, not much more volume observed on that candle. Okay, so this is the reason Akums Drugs sustained above that level and the 3 stocks not gained, not sustained the expected level and the price fall from the expected level. So in this video what lesson we learn means you can compare the 4 stocks in that Akums Drugs previous day 1 hour candle you can see the previous day 1 hour candle which means the 215 PM candle you can see it's a strong volume was gained. Okay, but comparatively that that 3 stocks you can see that 215 green candle volume was comparatively low, not much more that volume more volume observed on that candle. Okay, so this is the reason Akums Drugs sustained above that level and the 3 stocks not gained, not sustained the expected level and the price fall from the expected level.